Route 66. A bucket list route for countless travelers and adventurers that want to experience history. In this series of videos, we're going to be covering over 25 miles of Mother Road to show you some landmarks and locations you may otherwise miss while traveling in the land of Lincoln. Our journey will take us from the north end of Litchfield, Illinois and continue to where Route 4 and Interstate 55 cross paths. Litchfield features two alignments of 66 chock full of classic sites. You know, a big factor in this series is going to be nostalgia, especially since I've been around these places my whole life. But in this first location, brings it all back on the big screen. Welcome to Litchfield Skyview Drive-In. First opening in the spring of 1950, Skyview is proudly celebrating its 70th year of entertaining locals and regional visitors who want to continue experiencing the great American pastime of a drive-in theater.
We are the last originally operating drive-in on historic Route 66 in Illinois and only one of 4 in the country.
The amazing longevity of the Skyview has earned itself a spot in the Route 66 Hall of Fame, and the location is honored on a wayside exhibit in front of the park just steps from the scenic byway.
There are a couple things about the Skyview that make it special and that have kept it around. First of all, it's just a very unique piece of history that you're not necessarily going to find anywhere else. We are the last originally operating drive-in on historic Route 66 in Illinois and only one of 4 in the country. I think over the years that moniker may not even be known locally, but it's just a form of entertainment you can't find anywhere else. People like to come in and watch movies in the outdoor theater so that they can relax and feel the breeze and not be kind of kept up in a building. And it's just something that's pretty unique still even today.
Family-friendly environment, entertainment, at a good, decent price.
Yeah, I watched the first 6 or 7 families that came through the other night, and not one of them paid more for their food than they would have at McDonald's. And that made me feel good about it. They can come and have a good evening at an affordable rate. Kids are still always 5 and under, free. I mean, you can't get that anywhere else. So we're kind of a little unique in that way.
When I asked Carol Stuttle, operator of the Skyview for over 50 years, about what she has enjoyed the most about the drive-in, and the answer was immediate and without hesitation.
The crowd.
The people, yes.
The people that come, they're friendly. Everybody seems to get along. We very seldom ever have a problem.
Oh yeah.
They're just a great group of people that come out here, and we enjoy seeing them.
Sometimes multiple generations simultaneously are here.
That's good. Family.
Yeah. Sometime our average age group is little kids, and then the grandparents bring them, and I'd say it's 50 to 75 years of age.
Yeah, I see what you're saying there.
During my interview with the owners and operators, I heard lots of great stories about guests of the Skyview, including a couple who just went to their first drive-in movie at over 70 years old.
They were probably 70-ish years old. First time they ever been to a drive-in.
Nice.
Really?
First time.
Adding to the classic setting of the drive-in is one of the other surprises you may see during a visit is Mike Pastrovich's prize car, the Skyview Bel Air. There's always something very unique about watching a movie outdoors, but one of the things I always look forward to the most about coming to the Skyview, the snack stand.
Yum, yum. It's time for a tasty and refreshing snack.
Lush with buttery popcorn, tasty treats, and sweets, this one-stop shop for all your movie time munchies has all your cravings covered.
We promise to satisfy your hunger, your thirst, your sweet tooth. So visit our refreshment center now. Let's go!
So I'm standing here in front of the Skyview screen, and it is just immaculate. It is huge, it is well taken care of, it is a beautiful work of art right here. And if you look behind me, you can see kind of like a clearing. This used to be a playground back in the day. There used to be a playground right here where kids can come up and play, keep themselves busy before the show started. It's not here anymore, of course, but still, those memories I'm always going to keep forever. So that's just one of the things that coming to this place, standing on this ground again, has just got me back like 30 years. I know I've enjoyed many evenings in this lot growing up, enjoying movies with my folks, and now over 30 years later, I'm so excited to get to share this vintage form of entertainment with my wife and 2 sons. Given so few drive-ins are still operating this day and age, the rareness, history, and location of this Route 66 landmark makes it a true gem and a form of entertainment I hope can continue for future generations. Please let me know in the comments below of your past experiences at the drive-in and if you still find yourself enjoying movies outdoors from time to time. So if you need something to do this summer, I encourage you to come check out this great location that's fun for the entire family. For a list of showtimes and events, make sure and visit LitchfieldSkyview.com. Well, that's all for this episode of Route 66 Illinois, and until next time, make sure you enjoy every mile, and I'll see you again soon from America's Highway. If you enjoyed this content, please give the video a thumbs up to help support my channel, and be sure to subscribe for future videos.